This is Rick at World of Wheels 2018. I'm here with Ron and Randy from Vail's Classic Cars, and what we've got here is a 1970 Mach 1, Ford Mustang Mach 1 428. Gorgeous car, but you got to tell me a little bit about the story and what happened.
Well, the thing is, it's just not a 428 Mach 1, it's actually a Q code 428 Mach 1, which makes it even rare. There's only, 320 of these that were made. So very rare not to have the ram air on it. That's what makes it rare.
That is cool. Now tell me a little bit, how did we get the car and what kind of condition was it in? How did we get going?
I actually bought the car, then I sold it to Randy's brother, then Randy sold it to, or he bought it off his brother. But you know, the car was started, then it was screwed up, then we got it and we fixed it. And between the two of us, we got the car what it is today. And it's taken about 6.5 years to get it here with all the pieces. I mean, it's such a hard thing to find the parts for these cars.
So yeah, no, it's a gorgeous car. Now tell me, as far as, okay, so it's the Q code. It makes it rare. What other special features does the car have?
Well, it's a Mach 1, so it's a Mach 1 Q code, which the colors, to me, it's one of the most desirable colors because it's such a cool color combination. It was originally this color. It's not made up. This is exactly the way the car came from the factory. That's kind of what you do as a restoration company. Is you don't want to have one that's necessarily over restored.
Well, I'll tell you what, you guys, you never disappoint. You always got something really cool here. This one is one of my favorites. I love the 69s and the 70 Mach 1s. And being that it's 428 Q code, you're not going to see another one.
No, and that's the thing is, you know, people don't understand how rare they are. And that's why this one is actually worth more than what the R code is. Even though everybody goes for the Ram Airs, the Q codes are that rare. Same motor, same everything, just doesn't have the hole in the hood.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Well, awesome job. Nice car.
Thank you.
Way to go, Ron and Randy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.